Don't let the blue screen of death get you down. I will show you how to fix this problem step by step. So let's begin. Click on Advanced Options, select Troubleshoot, then click on Advanced Options. Now select Command Prompt. Type chkdsk/f/r/c: and hit enter to execute the command. Now wait for some time to complete the process. Once done, move to the next step. Now we need to type this command c: and simply press enter. Type cd space c: / and hit enter to execute the command. Now type cd space Windows and hit enter to execute the command. Type cd space System32 and simply hit enter. Now type cd space config and hit enter. Then type md space backup and hit enter. Now type copy space *.* space backup and hit enter. Now type md backup1 and hit enter. Now execute this command carefully. Type in copy space *.* space backup1, then simply hit enter to execute the command. Now type cd space regback and simply hit enter. Then type dir and simply hit enter. Type copy space *.* space .. and hit enter. Then type all and simply hit enter to execute the command. Let's move to the next command. Now execute this command. Type bootrec space /fixmbr and simply hit enter. Now type bootrec space /fixboot and hit enter to execute. Type cd space c: / and hit enter. Now execute this command. Type cd space Windows /System32 /config /regback, then simply hit enter to execute this command. Now type this command bcd edit space /export space c: /bcd backup and hit enter. Now type cd space c: / and hit enter. Now type this md space boot and hit enter. Type cd space boot and hit enter. Now execute this command. Type md space bcd. Now type cd space c: / and simply hit enter. Now type attrib space c: -boot -bcd space -h space -r space -s and hit enter to execute. Now type run space c: \boot \bcd space bcd.old, then hit enter. Now type bootrec space /rebuild bcd and simply hit enter. Type exit and simply hit enter. Now click on continue. It will restart your system. So that's it guys, your problem is solved and you are good to go.